All right. That is our timer. Let me set up my camera. Let me get everything nice and crisp for y'all. done. And let's see, that face cam ain't gonna work because I didn't set it up before that. There we go. Yeah. Hey, hold up, one more. Awesome. What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is Adeno Entertainment, and welcome to today's stream. Hope you're having a fantastic Wednesday? Yeah, I think it's Wednesday. Morning, afternoon, evening, or Thursday, depending on whatever time zone you are in. Sorry about missing last night's stream. Had a bit of a family emergency, so I had to take care of that. But yeah, all good there. Everything is fine. No one's dead. That's always a good thing. So today we're going to just get right into it. I have a couple of things to show off for what I actually did do yesterday. We're going to be working on the mini games and just make sure we can get that system locked in. We're either going to complete a mini game or we're going to get very close to completing one. I did that in the reverse order there. And then afterwards we are going to check out a 3D tool called Crocotile that I heard about a while ago. It popped up again in my YouTube feed and looked pretty cool. So we're going to run that. So we'll switch over to Godot, switch over to the Git dev scene, and we can see what we worked on here. So if you couldn't tell already, this is a percent symbol. I can't draw. But basically the idea for the game is I said match 3, but it's just a match game. Really, match 3 is that little drag stuff like Candy Crush. But basically the point of this game is you have a set of cards like this. They're randomly assigned a value. You click the 2 to see if you can get a match. It shows them first and it just like flips them over, so that they got randomized. Or you just click it. I'm just gonna say you just click it and just hope it works. It's like gambling, dude. I'm promoting gambling here. Come on, you know what we do on this channel. We promote bad habits. But yeah, that's basically it. You click some buttons, they flip over, they have a value. If you get a match, you get the ingredient. If you don't, you lose money and you get less ingredients. So it's kind of like just the basic Tamagotchi games where they're built off of chance. So I did some little pixel art yesterday in Godot, learned about how to use textures for backgrounds, so that was a lot of fun. We hopped into Aspray, and I can actually show you that right here. Boop. Look at this little Aspray thing, that's so cute. Look at it, that's so cute, it's a cat. So yeah, just designing a little coupon thing. This is one of the symbols we're gonna be implementing today. And that's really it. I just spent a lot of time doing this yesterday. So let's get a little, I guess, how do I want to do this? I was a little overwhelmed yesterday when I was working, so I want to try just making a sticky list to-do list, or sticky note to-do list. There we go. Shablam. All right, cool. So let's do that. Let's change the color of this guy. I don't know, what's it going? Green? Green looks cool. I thought it was gonna change the background. It didn't. All right, so we're gonna do the first thing, which is one. Let's just say we want the buttons to randomly assign icons and values to them when the mini game. Ooh, is the music a little loud? I just realized I had it balanced for the course last week. Mini games. So that, then what do we want to do? We want to create a state for the buttons to have them be flipped and unflipped. Let's see, let's tab, nope. Is it shift tab and, well, it's no, whatever. We're gonna put these as, let's see, on click. So that's one thing we need, and we need a score system. A score slash, I guess, penalty system for matches and mismatches. Cool. All right, so that's gonna be this part right here. This is what we're gonna really do today. If we have time later on, we're going to work on implementation, which is just making sure everything kind of homogenizes with the rest of the game. But for now, and let me just quickly make sure that I have my Pomodoro timer set up. Cool, got it. But for now, what we're gonna do is we're just trying to get the mini game to work. We're trying to make sure the art uploads properly and we don't have to do anything too crazy. So, got my Pomodoro timer started. Now we'll actually be able to see notifications so I don't miss it, which is good. Let's get over to the next thing we got to do, which is just make sure these buttons actually work. So, I had this thing where like I was gonna say, hey, grocery shopping came. You have an array of all the buttons, and you just keep track of. You call their function of like, hey, I'm going to assign this value to you. So I think I'm gonna just continue doing that. Before we even get into it though, what I do want to do is if we look at the buttons when we run the game, you notice that when I hover over them, they have this thing right here where they disappear. We don't want that. I should do something where it's like if I hover over them, they change into like a little selection thing. If that happens, cool. For now, I think just for simplicity's sake, what I want to do is if I go over here to my theme override, and I'm doing a bunch of theme overrides instead of creating a global theme, because one, still learning the theme system, and this is just easy because it's right here inside of the editor. So let's go over the, what's hovered mirrored? Whatever. We're gonna go over to the hovered section here. Hey, VAQ, what's good? Or they grow a bit when hovered. That's super smart. What's good, dude? How you doing, by the way? Yeah, that's actually a very good idea. Let's do that. So for this hover, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly copy this style box, go over to hover, make sure that this is there. Cool. So for this one specifically, what we can do is just boop, test it. Nope, wrong one. F6 is what it is. Boom, test it, that works. Nice. I'm going to delete all of these buttons here. And yep, it's gonna look weird. So this side on 12, see mastery button. We'll actually leave this as is. It's gonna look super weird. Until we get everything that we exactly need it to be. So that one, let's give a on hovered something for this guy here. Does that not just straight up exist in here? All right, let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot they changed the Godot docs in the engine, so now we actually get like code samples. Now it's actually like pretty close to the web docs, which is super nice. Color, icon hover, icon focus color. We don't want that. We just want to have it. We just want like an on hovered, just to see if it works. It's just button. Okay. What you got for me when they hovered? Font says blah 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 blah. All right. Let's check out the Godot docs. After I just like presence of the built-in engine docs. I gotta close this. Not good for the mental. Keeping this open so we can clip. Minimizing this as well. Alright, cool. Alright. Let's see. Godot button hover signal. Creating hover trigger blah 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 blah. Button is control. You can use mouse exit and mouse enter from it. Okay, cool. Let's see. I didn't see that in the signals built in. Oh, is it focus center? When the node gets focused. So is this? Oh, dude, how blind am I? Mouse center, mouse exited. That's what it is. All right, cool. Let's just do that. We just need the. Where is it? Master button. Close all the other tabs. There we go. Oh yeah, real quick too. Cool thing I learned about Godot today. We've been using the to-do add-on, which I think is actually the better way of doing this. But Godot actually does have something built in where if you go to a line on a script and you go over to this debug section right here, oh not debug, you go over to go to, and there's a bookmark section right here. You can actually just add a bookmark to your script, and then you can go over here to where it says go to bookmarks. And you can see it's right here. So what's really cool about this stuff right here is we can just jump to different lines of text or different lines of code across different scripts. So that's super tight. Gonna remove all here. Let's set this up. So let's get a func on hovered. Or mouse entered. Connected to not you, to you. And let's get a func mouse exited. Back over to the mastery button. Cool. And then let's also create a var, and this is gonna be fun. So learning this new layout, var grow time. Oh, it needs to be an export var actually. At export var grow time. And what is the key for that? There we go. It's a float. And we'll set that equal to, I don't know, what's a good one for this? What's a good key for this guy here? Where would be a good one? Let's say it takes, I think shorter times means faster times for a tween. All right, so mass enter, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a var grow tween. Of type tween is equal to that. Equal to get tree boop dot create tween. There we go. So we got the grow tween there, and then what we want to do is we want to say grow tween dot tween whoop, property. Nope. Property. I could just tab that. Objects. Gotta just do self. Yeah. Object self. Property. So for our match 3 button here, what would be our, oh wait, I just realized since these are in a grid container, can I even mess with their size without it kind of doing stuff? I cannot. Okay, that direction inherited. Yeah, okay. All right, cool. That's fine while it lasted. That's not gonna work, unfortunately, because they're in a grid layout. But it was a good idea, Vec. Next thing we want to do is, or at least now we want to, yeah, now we have that set up. What I want to do is I want to make it that when we click the button, it flips over and it reveals the other side of something. So I think what I need to do for this is go over to font. Let's see. Actually, what's it look like if I press it? Wrong thing. So it's gonna alternate between normal and press. Cool. And focus, we're gonna want that to be nothing soon, but I think what needs to happen is just, we need to change out this guy here. So we're gonna put this, we're gonna save this, save as, save it under, I guess where did I save everything else? That's the real question. We have some music. Hey, Safe, what's good? How you doing, man? Let's create a new folder here. We're gonna call this one, styles, I guess, under art. Or themes. Cool. And under themes, we're gonna call this one grocery or coupon button. Oh, the tab. Coupon button. Default, or let's call it, yeah, let's call it coupon button default. That. And then what I want to do is I want to make a reference to whatever this is. I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, it's a stop box texture. So let's create an export to these guys here. Yeah. Default. And solid box texture. This is my tab. Cool. And let's just, I think it's what, Control Shift D to duplicate it, and we'll put flip button. There we go. Cool. All right, now if we go over to the Match 3 button, that should just be available at the very, very top. Cool. So now what I can do is on our coupon button default, which is saved, nice. I can change these guys to okay. Now I'm going to just do that, create a brand new, or can I? No. Can I like copy this? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna do what I have here and just see if I can do this differently. We're gonna create a new style box texture, go here. I think it's, yeah, sweet. All right, let's put in the flipped percentage thing here that I've created. And I don't think I exported that actually. You've been cooking in GarageBand? That's what's up, man. Let's go for flipped, and we're going to hide everything else except for that. I think it's Control-Shift-Alt-S to export. Yep. Coupon export. Just gonna call this one. I'm just gonna call this one flipped. Oh, this one should actually be called coupon flipped. Yes. Yes. Get out of here. Alright. Now we can put that in. Here, 2D art. Where is it? It's under this one. Nope, not that one. This one. Oh wait, I forgot. I have a hotkey for. Oh wait, I just realized. I have a whole. I can set up a hotkey to just go do my project files by default. Sweet. That's a cool thing about keyboards. You can do stuff. Load. Alright, cool. So now we got coupon flipped. Let's go to 2D. Check out what we got here. Go over here to our inspector. Scroll down until we have our style box texture. Add in coupon flipped. Cool. Adjust the margins to this. Maybe I don't want to do it like this. Maybe, how do you set this up? Okay, I don't want to mess with that. It is the content margins. Or is it this? Am I doing it right like that? It is this. Okay. Maybe that subregion is something I shouldn't be touching. Oh, subregion is what I'm messing with right now. I'm doing exactly what I'm supposed to be doing, and I'm just making things up. You never know. Texture margins, expand margins, extra stretch, subregion. Yeah, exactly what we're supposed to be doing there. All right. Like a rapper should freestyle it. Post on SoundCloud, dude. All right, cool. So now we have this match 3 button. That, and I can save this as... Nope, not you. Oh god. Art should also be like a pinkish color. Coupon button default, coupon button flipped. Boop, save. And let's make the art folder pink. There we go. That's nice. Alright, nice. Now that we have our match 3 button, we have our flipped, and we have our coupon default, what we can do, and I'm also going to just make sure that this one is set to the correct one on the unhounded for just to test it. Now, I want to go over to my icon setting and just drag one of the icons I made. So I'm going to drag in this ham. Cool. And I want to put this guy vertically on the top, no, on the center. Cool. I don't know how this is gonna look now. I'm just gonna do. Oh, dude, that worked out perfectly. Oh. Yes. Nice. All right, cool. Yeah. It's a little off. It is off center. Let's be real here. Or is it? What's this look like? Broccoli looks like that. Oh, wait, can I change the icon to be different? So if I go over, back over here to my master button, we got here. Icon, what is it, set to flat? No, we don't want that. Icon behavior. That's text behavior, icon behavior. Center, center, expand icon, off, on. Okay, cool. Okay. I can just leave it as this. Hey, Alto, what's good, dude? But you dare me to base cover it? I don't know. We'll think about it. We'll think about it. Not really in an instrument mood at the moment, to be honest. But I'm down to hear your beat if you want to send it over. Cool. All right, cool. Now that we have all of our stuff, oh wait, one of my margins is off. Or the margin's off for the texture coupon button flip normal. Okay. Edit region. Oh, no, went in a little too far. There we go. Perfect. Oh, nice. I actually fixed the. Just centered them too. But putting in work on the space, I didn't go do a pilot episode. Hey, dude, that's sick. You thinking about pitching it to anybody? All right, was that one thing on our list to do? Okay, so we're almost done with that. We have all of our junk here. So let's just, can I just clear the icons on all of them? I can. Love Godot. All right, let's go over here to our script or to our match 3 button here. And I'm actually going to go over here. Instead of setting this to a export, we're gonna set this to an on ready. Sorry, I had to find my keyboard for a second. There we go. And we are going to set these guys equal to their individual things. So what I'm wondering is, like, let's say I have these things right here. Can I just drag in this and no, it won't create a preload. That would have been cool. I'm asking for too much here. Got to keep myself in check. And let's see, this is coupon flipped. There we go. Right. Okay, cool. So now what we need to do is we just need to set these guys. What are these signaling to? Oh, we still have the on mouse entered and mouse exited. There we go. Almost done. Delete these. Sweet. Save it. Go over here. Go into button pressed. We want to connect it to that on press. Reach out to Ultimate Contacts to see if you can get a pitch meet with some favorable conditions. If not, probably start on YouTube, see how hype can be drummed up. That's awesome, man. I didn't make bass, but if you make bass, it'll be hype. I am not that good of a bassist, if I'm gonna be real with you. I purely do it just like for fun. Like if you find like a good bass track online, or like you learn how to compose it, sweet. But yeah, I'm not. Trust me, I'm not the person I want to talk to for composition. Still learning that myself. On press, what we want to first set up is we want to just make it where these change. So let's see, what property is this? Nope. What did we get? Oh, is this it? Like what I want to do is I just want to copy property path. Okay. Can I get like a change property? Let's see. Property. Express income. want it to be that. But I think the add theme color override. What's this? Add. Theme. Would it be style box override? Oh, it is. So we want to change the normal and hover. Okay. To whatever. Press one such a two flip button. Okay. So do we normally want that to be hover? Huh? Okay. So that would be set to flip at default. If we set that up. So let's just say we set this to default for the normal and the hovered. Run it. Not full game, we just want the specific scene. Okay, we still have to press, that's an issue too. Press needs to be default as well. Still need to remember you can't do that. There you go. Okay, it flips now. That's good to go. Okay. Can we change the press, make this unique? Can I? Yeah, I can modulate. Perfect. Can I move this? No, I can't. Let's modulate, see what that does if I do that. Okay. It's like black, but like, no, we don't want that. No, max out the opacity. As close as we can to just like pure white, and then drop it down on this. There you go. Just a little bit. Okay, perfect. And we can change that as well, which is nice. All right, nice. We got our match 3 button. Now let's duplicate these guys. 12. I really wish I knew how to center something in Godot without it kind of freaking out the way it does sometimes. Because like I have this thing where like if I do this, like let's say I set it to full rect, or I said I want the anchors to be centered, because I would love for this to be centered to the screen, right? It's gonna do that. Now my problem is if I have this grid container and I center it to the screen, I need to just drag these guys out to be part of that. That's the only fact I've only let other people know. Oh, I'm pretty sure to be in that list. That's pretty cool, man. You set out to do something, you just straight up did it. And I can't even fix that now. That sucks. Oh, I can fix that. Alright, that wasn't something I could do before, so that's rad. Let's now set up our thing here. And on ready, what we're going to do is we are going to say buttons is equal to this grid container here. Dot get children. I'm gonna practice using my arrow keys because I don't know how to do that with this keyboard. Boop. Oh, and I can I just typecast it? Type, button. Oh, that's what I say right there. Alright, cool. What's wrong with this? I just want to see. Expected 7% found also. So I do that. Cannot be signed the right type node. Huh. Oh, I guess I can. I don't have to like define this. I could just be like, whoop, that does that. And then whenever I actually run the game, we can just have it where we just typecast every indice that we go through. So if I was to just do this right here, check out this guy here, go to the grocery shopping game, array size 0, not great. Okay. Oh, you know why? Because this doesn't really exist in the right spot. So this needs to just be this, and what's percent? Gonna guess. That was the wrong guess. That was even worse guess. We don't need this guy anymore. Nope, 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 nope. There we go. All right, let's run this, see if it actually populates. Nope. Does it know what that is then? Oh, no, it's right there. Wait. Oh. Has it always just been doing that and I just was looking at the wrong spot? Weird. All right, cool. That's it. Let's quickly back that up, go to our in-between part of the day. So let's see. Added visual button states. Let's see, buttons now flip when they are clicked. And the grocery game manager can get references to all the buttons. Cool. Nice. Okay, face cam, boom. 5-minute timer, it started itself. There we go. Okay. Big thing, you want to retain a certain amount of involvement and creative control. Don't want your baby being turned to a yet a political statement and corporate mouthpiece. Yeah, I get that. Could, you think Glitch would pick it up? I don't know if Glitch is a good company. Whoa. Okay. There's some stuff there, so. You've been feeling empty lately? Back to one other person other than you know, and the third is literally God. So I just want to know, man, after realizing nobody at school wants to be your friend. Oh, man. Except like a dude on bus who's a great lawyer. And I think I might be projected to be the quiet kid in high school. Well, wait, you're only 12. How are you? Do you skip grades? Well, to be fair, like, first off, say if you're 12 in high school, that's an already interesting thing to be a part of. If like that happened, congrats. That's pretty insane for a jump. But no, 7th grade. Oh, okay, yeah, in America, high school's 9th, so maybe that's why I was confused. But yeah, like first off, there's nothing wrong with being friends with someone who's a grade lower than you. And also, dude, you're a 7th grader. You're not even in middle school. You're in middle school, man. People were hella awkward in middle school. I was super awkward in middle school, man. I didn't hit puberty until I was like 16. So yeah. You'll find your crowd, man. It is, it sucks not having one, but it's never gonna be forever. The most important thing is just like you don't try to be someone you're not, you know? You hit puberty at 7, that is very young for a child. You started growing facial hair at 12. I started growing facial hair at 19, my guy. We're all very different people. But that's 7's very young for a dude. But yeah, everyone's different. But yeah, just really said at the end of the day, it's just like don't be afraid to talk to other people. That's one thing. That's something I'm still struggling with. Like I have pretty bad social anxiety. But it's what's it called? It's just something that happens naturally, you know. You meet people, you find your tribe, you find your can you say that anymore? You find your people. You also have a very long time to do that too. You just gotta be okay with yourself first. I feel like that's like one of the first things, like being okay with who you are, not changing, like not changing your personality for other people, unless like you are growing up and you're just like realizing you have to be like more mature to deal with stuff. But yeah, that's just it, man. You're allowed to feel. Like, I'm not saying this to like say don't feel sad, but it's just like, yeah, feel sad, feel your feels. Just know it's never the end of the world. Plus, if your seventh grade and middle school is similar in your country is to mine, you legit just started it. And in seventh grade, let me tell you, everyone sucks. Like, I'm just gonna be real here. Everyone is going through a monstrous time of change, both chemically and socially, and people just do what they do. That's fine. You're gonna look back at these years, you're gonna be like, wow, that was me. And it's gonna be okay to do that. I still do that. I do that every day now. Imagine being in middle school and trying to date with a 5 o'clock shadow was rough. That might have been divine intervention, man. Dating in middle school is bad. They have a ton more respect in middle school than now. Alright, then just give it time then. Just figure out what you want to do for yourself, man. Really, you don't have to be anyone. You don't have to try to be anyone. You don't have to emulate anything. There's a lot of stuff on social media which is just like, if you're not doing this, if you're not constantly grinding, you're a loser. No, you're not. Those people are losers, man. Like, you're gonna be fine. And look, if you've only told 3 people at this point, you've told 3 people, man. Seems like you're doing pretty well for what's it called? Seems like you're already doing pretty well. When I was younger, like 15, I used to like want to be an inventor when I was a kid, and like I would like used to draw like little inventions and stuff like that, like Jimmy Neutron stuff and the Cloud of the Chainsaw Meatballs, and I used to just show people at school because I was super excited about my own stuff, and I just like needed like an outlet just to show other people. And like someone who I considered a friend was just thought it was like I was always cringy for that, which no, that's lame, you know. I don't know. That personal anecdote has like literally nothing to do with what we're talking about, but basically what I'm saying is just be yourself, man. You'll find your friends. You'll find whoever will come through your life. Don't be afraid to talk to people. Don't be afraid of rejection. It just happens. You're gonna be okay. All right, I'm gonna get some water. I'll be right back. I'm putting the BRB because my camera constantly tracks me, but I'm thirsty. We're gonna do some more game dev. Alright, we're back, folks. I don't know if I already said that. I had to respond to the text in the intro. Like, gain respect because you beat up 2 bullies so far, and third one incoming. Don't look forward to fights. I'm not gonna say that right now. Listen, don't never be the one who starts a fight, by the way. Like, if you did that as self-defense, good for you. Hopefully people will stop doing that. But school is not prison. Don't just be beating people up. That's really bad. Yeah. Let's see, got that. Okay. Let's do this for that guy here. What's it doing? Enter. Export. Did I start my timer? I didn't realize if I did or not. I did not. Getting better at this now. Export var. I guess items? I don't really know what other way I could describe this. Dictionary. So that's not how you spell dictionary. There we go. So what I want to do for this one, or at least this part specifically, is here we go. We want to add a key value pair for all this junk, and it needs to first off have a string name. There we are. And it needs to just have a texture included on top of it. So, I mean, let's do this a few times. So we're gonna put banana. Okay. We're gonna do this. Where's texture 2D? Oh, it's an object, ain't it? There we go. Ooh, that runs significantly better now, actually. Let's do banana. Keep value pair, because in Godot, if you don't do that, it actually didn't add. Let's add a broccoli. Let's add a ham. Let's add a potato. Let's add a whatever this is. I think I just call it special. Cool. Rad. So oh, you can just add empties too. Cool. All right. So we have everything that's required in here, and then what we need is one item for dictionary, and then we want in the ready. I don't think we even need a process function for this, really. Let's get a func setup. Game. And in that, what do we need? We need a for I, which is of type. We need call it match 3 button. I should just call this one match button, honestly. Or I'll call match 3 buttons. Now, of course, it's match 2 button. It's just wrong naming convention. That's gonna annoy me forever, but I'm not gonna fix it because it's basically done. For match 3 button in buttons. And instead of using the autocomplete, I'm really trying to get it through my brain how to type on this keyboard, so I can be much faster with this. We need to have a var used. Let's see. We need to have a var available. Available items, which is a type dictionary. How do I want to set this up? Do I want to just manually do this? I don't know if I can do this manually. I'll just do it like that. Very minimal. So it's a dictionary. So then we're gonna say for I and that. Oh, and then I just want to do for I and items on top of that. I don't want to set this up because I basically just want to say I want to ensure that, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's 3 by 4, we only want to take, let's say, we need to take, let me just do the math real quick in my head, or in a way that works. So if I was only to take 3 items, so it's like 3, it'd be 1 for each column, so it's like 1, 2, that has a pair, 1, 2, that has a pair, that 3, 1 has a pair, that 3. Okay, so if I take then the 4, it's like 4 items, like that has a pair. That's a, like, item 1 has a pair, item 2 has a pair, item 3 has a pair, item 4 has a pair, item 1 has a pair, item 2 has a pair. Okay, so if I do 3, it's like item 1 has a pair, item 2 pair, item 3 has a pair, item 1. Okay, 3 would be more consistent, 4 would be interesting. Let's just do 3 for now. Buttons like that. We are going to also. So the first thing we need to do. Sorry, I'm very spaced out. Oh, Bigo, what's good? Oh, how's it going? How's what's it called? Did you ever search it yet? Nowadays these young folks are going out flexing their game engines of the game and their. Wait, oh god. Nowadays, these young folk are out here flexing their game engines that the engine games with. Back in my day, if we wanted to have fun, we'd have to buy front row tickets to Vincent Van Gogh cutting his ear off. Yeah, see, no, right here, that's some new age nonsense for me. I had to pay 3 rocks to go see the cave painting, okay? 3 rocks. Remember when the leaf was only 2 pebbles? 3 rocks to see a cave painting, man. Inflation's nuts. Okay. Let me just pause sketch punch out real quick. Oh man, the 2 where people started fighting. Okay, that's good. There's a dude who overacts like a stray cat. He pushes me mildly for touching your friend, touching by accident. He thinks you should respect him. Waiting for him to allow demonstrate Muay Thai. Don't do that. I train tackling. Safe. Okay. Most kids don't know how to fight, dude. If you use Muay Thai, you might kill one. Don't do that. Like, if you really know how to use Muay Thai, don't do that. Alright. I'm a, what's it called? He's a very new kid. He came from Egypt, where people were very judgmental, and the teachers were rude, so bro thinks okay to fight for no reason, popular in the middle class. Has got respect. Alright. I'm gonna just say this right now, because after this, locking in on work, dude. But, 1, repeating. Never be one who starts a fight. You're automatically the bad guy in that situation. Just how it works by default. Even if the kid really has it coming, if you throw a punch, you're going to be the one who gets in trouble. Don't do that. 2, most kids do not know how to fight, dude. Good chunk of adults don't know how to fight either. If you know how to use Muay Thai, guaranteed that kid will be laid out in 2 seconds. That's not great. 3, if you're waiting for him to give you a reason to fight, that is a super unhealthy mindset. That you have way more talent and potential from what you just showed me with like how much you work on your horticulture, permaculture. There you go. Couldn't get the word. There's a lot of cultures in there. The way you make music, and the way you do soccer. That should have your mind, not these people. If they get you mad, that sucks. You got a lot more life to live than just that. Do not waste your time on that, dude. Okay, going back to the game though. That was my whole little Zach rant. Okay, so what I want to do is I just want to select 4. No, just for ease of use. What I want to do is I want to take 3 keys from the dictionary that are like, all right, cool. All right, cool. I want to take 3 keys from a dictionary that will just have whatever will be available in our tile set for our match game. So I'll have like one thing to run randomness, unless I can just run a, let's see. Instead of saying available, actually we're gonna keep available items. We're gonna add a little array on top of this called items to use, if this is even necessary. There. Items to use. I'll make that an array. And can I please let me do this? That'd be so chill if I could do this. Buttons dot keys. No, items dot keys. Dot get. Whoa, god, dude. Alright. Gotta resist switching back to the old keyboard. It ain't gonna be good if I do that. I waste money if I do that. Item dot keys dot okay, hold on. Let's see if I can do this. Items dot keys is an array. Please. Oh god, dude. I think I can just pick random. So if I do a pick random, can I throw anything in there that? Nah, it doesn't. Okay, so I just have to do that 3 times. For I in range 3. Nope. Nope. I in range 3. Items dot keys dot. Of course, if you get that dot pick random. There we go. And we want available items, which needs to be declared prior to this. There we go. I don't need this anymore. What we do need is this. Let's just see. What do I want to do? Let's just add a pass in there. So it, okay, enter, tab, pass. There you go. I definitely need to, no, I just need to copy one of my scripts and just practice typing it on KeyBR thing. Items keys, pick a random, and what we want to do is we want to say available items. Sync available. Oh wait, I think it is. I think we want this available items dot get or add. Okay, okay, we're cooking. Get or add and see that. Keys pick random. Okay, that's the default. Then I do that. Then I do that. It's gonna be like, okay, nope. I think it's, we're almost on here. Items, keys, pick random. And then we want default variant. Can I just say 0? I don't know what this is gonna do. We're just gonna run it. We're gonna see if this works. We did, oh, I didn't call setup game, that's why. I love doing that. Fellas, I promise I'm gonna get better at typing. It may not happen today, may not happen tomorrow, may not happen next week, but I will get better at typing. Boom. Hit me with that breakpoint. There we go. Okay, let's see what we got here. Self-available items is dictionary size 2. Is range non-inclusive. Ham, banana. Cool. Okay. There we go. Ham, potato, broccoli. Perfect, it did it. Alright. Then what we want to do is for I in match 3 buttons, we want to call I dot set a button. And it takes an item string name, which will be gonna do this. We're gonna say var item name of type string name is equal to wait, no, hold on. Hold on, I got this, guys, I promise. I got it. I'm figuring it out. Took the string name. This is what we wanted random key inside of that. So it's just gonna say like I should create variable chosen item. It's of type it's of type string name, and it's equal to available items. God, available items dot keys. Keys dot dude. Keys dot. Keys leave a feedback when you got a sec. Yeah, sure, we can talk after stream. Okay. So I set a button. What's it gonna take? It's gonna take a chosen item. And it's going to take, let's write to the text after that. And that's going to be items, bracket, chosen, bracket, chosen, item. Jesus Christ. Okay, cool. Okay. That's forever. So what this will do is it will just assign the name and the icon to that. So what I'm going to do now is just run the game and just see if they, there we go. Is there, oh yeah, we're getting close. Just one thing I didn't do. I just need to make it where it's like, hey, if this is less than 2, or if this is not equal to 2, then use it. So it's like, by default, it's 1. So it's like, hey, have I used this yet? No, cool. Has it used it once? Yeah, okay. All right, we're almost done. If, okay. Nope. Wait, I just realized I have to do this over again. Okay. Do I use a while loop? Or it's just like, wow. Just make it 2. Don't do that. So basically just trying to say like, hey, if this has been used twice already, you can't use this anymore. What I could do is I can just be like, hey, chosen items equal that, do that, put that there. Then what I could say after that is I can say, available items brackets, chosen item. Oh, chosen item. God, I actually don't remember my pluses on this keyboard. There's a fast V1 or V2 on visual thing. Yeah, sure. Okay, then after this work session, I'll check it on Discord. I have my keyboard layout here just so I can remember what I have. I can't believe I don't remember what plus was. Did I even map a plus? I did kind of. Numpad plus. Does that do what I think it's gonna do or not? It is. Okay. I need to remap this entire workspace because there's a couple things I'm not gonna need. I got 2 quotation marks for some reason. I really screwed up this layout. Plus equals space. Nope. Just go small. Then we're gonna say after that, if that, I'm just gonna copy paste that. Then we do that. Equals 2. That. White. The auto white space removal available. Items dot remove erase. It's gonna take a key, right? Erase chosen item. Okay. Oh. Okay. So it should do that. It does that. Let's run it. Right there. How? How, dude? Available items equal to 0. Yeah, but how's it equal to 0? Is it just not assigning itself anymore? Set a breakpoint there, refresh it. Cool, available items. Yeah, okay, so that's equal to 3. Then dog, what? Okay. So if I skip forward to the next part. Why does the dictionary immediately fully clear itself? Like right after? Like the second it hits this lines, right here, it clears itself. Oh, right there again. Mm-hmm. For I in yeah. Okay, so what'd you choose? Let's no, screw it. Let's add another breakpoint, just for my sanity, yeah. Okay, hit that. Available item dictionary size is 3. Yep. Wait, I'm sorry. Has that been changing this entire time? Dude, what? Why? Wait, what? Why? Okay, hold on. hold on. It's like is it randomizing what it has? So that's 3. Oh, we got 3. 2. 2. 3. Dude, it is randomly. Why is it completely like not doing what it's supposed to be doing, which is what? 2. Okay. Items, the item size is 5. Uh-huh. This is weird. Okay. So it just certain points, it's just like, yeah, no, we don't want to put anything in the dictionary. 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. Dude, what the hell? Okay. Cool. Why? Huh? Okay, now I'm confused. It's only called once, right? Yeah, it is. Alright, time to do the first thing that just ignores to see if I'm the issue, which I don't think so here, right? Come on, it can't be me. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-mm. Okay. Why is this happening? This is my issue here. Why is this happening? Items is a completely separate thing. And what this is saying is for Iron Range 3, you're going to pick me a random thing from the item's keys here. And nothing in between that should really impede that. So I'm going to now do this and print items dot keys. And we're gonna run this, see what we got here. Not that, this. Okay. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. All right. I just realized another issue too with this, because like okay, that's our 5 minutes ago. All right, let's see what you got. Come on, timer, just go for it. There you go. All right. Did you send it, Alta? Let's check for suspicious. All right. Go. Check this. Oh, there we go. Wingspan 1 or 2. I would say 2 I would say 1 if you bring like the edge facing the cockpit a little bit forward. I feel like to me, I don't know, in my head it seems like it would look better if they're a little bit wider. I don't know why. That's my thing. Especially, if you're going for a pilot and that's what you're saying, just go with 1 then. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Just looking at the code. I know what I need to do to figure out. Are we making our own spaceship game too safe? That's what's up. So just realize if it picks 3 random ones, it has a chance to pick one twice, which we don't want. Gotta respect my own time again. Still need to get good at the work-life balancing. Yeah, shop levels, bosses, and so many things are hyped. Make sure you don't scope creep yourself, dude. Especially if you're working with Scratch. That's inventory systems in Scratch does not seem fun in my eye. So do you have some stuff learning how shit's working this way? Yeah, hit me with it, man. I like reading your stuff. I need my fidget toys back. I gave them to my brother yesterday. I just never got them back. Alright, let's see. 2 minutes. Screw it. I'm just gonna go back to work. Cool. Alright, so one thing to do here is for the available items or to get add pick random, what I need to do is I just need to make a copy of it. We got available items, and that's what it is. We're just gonna make a var items dupe, and I'm just gonna do a percent equal on this one. It's equal to items dot duplicate. I'm pretty sure this just creates a completely separate thing. True keeps the interdiction errors. Otherwise, deep true interdiction error goes are also copies over recursive. Okay, this is all we want, because I don't want to mess with anything else individually for I and range 3. This we'll keep that in there, pick random. And then after that, what we'll do is we will put items. Dude. Wait, is this an array? Is it a dictionary? I'm stupid. Can I get a keys and duplicate that? Okay. That's what I want to do. Registry items, keys. Yeah, cool. I don't think we want item keys. We want items dupe now, just to check that out to make sure that's actually getting rid of what it is properly. And this is its own thing, so it doesn't require that, so it doesn't do that. Build items, get or add items, keys, random, done. Items. Yeah. Okay. Dot erase. Oh crap. I should have control X out, nothing about that. Crap. What's wrong with you? Erase. Oh, they just require something else, huh? Chris, erase new pick. Find new pick. Type of frame. New picks we want to do, I guess. We can't do that. It's gonna be of type string name. There we go. No more error. Okay, so var new pick is equal to string name, items keys pick random, available items getter add, new pick 0, and then erase new pick. So if we just run this, keep the breakpoint in place. Wrong thing to run again. There we go. That's what we got here. Okay. Let's see, it was wrong. Erase. Is this... Oh, whoops, wrong array. Yeah, no wonder I was erasing it from the very wrong thing. Does this still contain exactly what it needs it to have? It does. Cool. That doesn't carry over. Good to know. I don't know why it would, but I guess I'm still kind of having flashbacks for some Unity stuff. Wrong thing. F6. Breakpoints, errors. We don't want the errors. Blah, 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 blah. Screen debug is gone. What? Okay. Print items dupe. Oh, wait. Yeah, nope. Still not right. Got potato, banana, ham. And then item dupe. Yes, you should. You should be. Oh, maybe it's a get or add thing that's actually screwing it up. I just thought about that. That might be what's causing this to happen. We'll just put you in that thing. Boop. Boop. Boop, boop. There we go. And now we have that new pick thing, but that should fix that. Or at least maybe this will hopefully fix the... Nope, still busted. Now it's only going for 2 items. And item dupe isn't erasing. Dude, this is so weird. Okay, I just put a breakpoint right in the middle of like some white space. See if that works. No. Okay. Yeah. All right. Wait. No, that's a globally accessible thing, or it's a locally accessible thing inside of the setup game function here. That's not redefined in anything. Okay. Wow. This is getting weirder. Kind of feels like I don't understand code, which sucks. I don't do. Dude, why aren't you erasing the values you get? What is happening? Like, is it... How many times is... Maybe something's going on and, like, this is running a bunch. Yo, Obsidian, what's good? Whoa, I missed a lot. Okay. Spirit versus Aliens? It is one... It's whatever the theme is, man. Spirit versus USA Space Force, that might... That would be interesting. Okay, let's see. Whoa, you were getting in depth with this. What's good, Obsidian? How you doing, man? Space Force it is? Alright, go ahead. USA Space Force. Obsidian, you always seem to figure out what's wrong exactly with my code. What am I missing here? I am trying to just make it where I have a dictionary that contains stuff. I make a duplicate of what the keys are in that dictionary so I can just have access to these. I have an available items dictionary for like what I'm gonna use for reference, and I have this for I in range 3 where I just loop through something 3 times and I pick what just happened. Wait, hold up. Where's my game? Hold up. What happened, dude? Wait. Oh, yeah, that scared the crap out of me. Would it be appropriate to cry right now? I might be there. Oh, the breakpoint, that's why. Alright, so, let's see what we got here. I'm just gonna quickly rubber duck with y'all as I talk. Okay, so for items, item keys, that dictionary, duplicate. Alright, cool. So what we have is now we have a duplicated key. Or we have the duplicated array from the, what's it called? From the keys with our items dictionary. Then we have available items which we're going to be using for actual reference when we assign our card values. Then we have for I in range 3, so loop through the array 3 times. If I'm not incorrect with that. And I'm just gonna quickly put a print statement in there just to make sure I'm not losing my mind further. Print I. kit. I think I use I in any other capacity except for here. Nope, wrong one. Zero, one, two. Yep. Okay. That works. All right. For I in range 3, and I'm just gonna honestly keep reloading this to see if like at any point in time it just decides it's not gonna print all 3 of them. Nope. Okay, cool. So it is running 3 times. That's great. Awesome. Wonderful. God. Okay. All right, almost done. So we got new pick is equal to items dupe. We're running through it 3 times. New pick is equal to string name items dupe. Oh, cool. Well, I didn't know hovering over an array tells you what's in it. Wait, that's rad. Since when? Dude, that's sick. Available. Oh, wait. This is while the code is running. Oh, okay. So cool. No, it's not cool the way I feel emotionally right now. Also, is Godot crashing? That makes 2 of us. Let's see, debug, stack trace. Okay, so for new pick, let's go to that. Item dupe erase that. So finds and removes the first occurrence of the value from the array. If the value does not exist in the array, nothing happens. Remove at instead. No, we don't want that. What we do, we just want to actually remove that value from the array. So unless this is actively just doing this to mess with me, which, you know, super epic prank. I like those. Ah, dude. Okay. Sunday half. You're saying random words that you're saying nothing. You're saying nonsense. You're saying spells, and I will not have your heretical language in my ears while I work here. But congrats for your jam, man. Hope that pain doesn't hurt anymore, because void motion within 4 days sounds horrifying. Also, I don't understand half the things you're saying, man. I'm wearing the turtle t-shirt today. My brain's not functional, and I think even when it would be, I wouldn't understand that either. Alright, let's see what we got here. All the above just parts of a procedural generated level. Yeah, no, see, that's terrifying. I'm horrified. You're making me scared. My timbers thoroughly shivered right now, dude. You think I have any more neurons left to be scared, man? No, I gotta lock in. Okay, let's see what we got here. Item duplicate, item keys, yeah, got that works. Unless I don't understand how duplication works, which... Wait, I don't even think I need a duplicated key set. I'm just getting a reference to the keys. That's one thing. Hey, wouldn't that be funny if that was the issue? Haha, funny, and like, yeah, no, still wrong. Okay. Well, we could at least just see if it's doing something random. Look at banana, broccoli, ham. A delicious smoothie. Potato special. Where's my 3rd one, dude? God. Can't duplicate keys in the dictionary. Awesome. All right, cool. We passed that out. Or we passed that out. I'm going to pass out. Dictionaries are great for creating a set structure. All right, perfect. Then yeah, we're going on that. Because does Godot have anything natively for sets? For an animation. What I don't understand is why it just sometimes it just doesn't populate with 3 items. Because even if I didn't have this erase right here. Okay. Even if I didn't have this erase right here, I'm pretty sure like just sometimes it just says not to populate with the 3rd item. Yeah, there it is. Okay. which that is also weirding me out. Not that you found. Never thought I would need that until now. Jethro, stop chewing your tail. I'm not going back to the vet. Let's see, for eye in range, 3, print eye. I'm curious about this one actually. Kind of like a split keyboard. I kind of hate my split keyboard at the same time. Oh, it's a string now. That's why. Let's try this out. Actually, no, I don't care. Can I dot? Sort of, nope. I'm not a huge soccer fan, Safe, but I'm sure you're doing well, man. Thanks for the offer, though. How did it get worse? Yeah, no, I'm just, at this point, like, I'm actually just genuinely confused here. Or I've been genuinely confused. I'm just now even more confused. I don't know how to describe it. Why? Why does it just decide it doesn't want to populate anymore? Oh, it's just, it randomly, So what I'm trying to do is just, you see right here, I have my items like key right here. I have this right here, which contains all my items and all the sprites associated with them. I duplicate the keys, trying to get these. And then I have available items, which is what's actually going to be used to populate the, what's it called? It's going to be used to actually populate the match cards that we have here. So all I need to do is I just need to say, hey, for I in range 3, so just loop 3 times. Oh. I don't need this print stem anymore because I know this is working. Kind of. Pick a random item. Awesome. Put the item in available items and set it to 0. Then erase that item from our items dupe array we have here. Now my current problem is 1, it's not erasing from the array, and 2, it just doesn't populate with 3 items. The clips would be sick. No, sorry, Sif. Like, I appreciate it, man, but I'm really not a sports person. And then also when we get down here to this for loop right here, if we run it, we hit an error where it just says this dictionary is completely empty. But if we were to like print this out here, it wouldn't be empty anymore. It's like the second it hits this part right here, it just completely breaks, and I don't know what exactly is causing that. Yep. I don't know how to use my own keyboard. Boop. 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 Like, do I have to create a brand new array and just have it be its own thing? Whereas, like, instead of it erases from, it doesn't like just equal the keys. It's like it's a whole separate thing. That's one thing. I mean, that's if that's just like deletion, that's fine. The rest of the issue is just like happening here, where it's like. The second it hits like this part of the code, it completely erases everything that's happening. It's just that error being thrown right there. This honestly might be one of those things where I just come back to in like 6 hours or something like that, and it just makes sense in my head. Setup game. Like this happens when setup game runs. Setup game. So we look here, item dupes, correct. Go over to grocery shopping game, buttons. It knows everything. Item dupe is equal to that, dictionary is equal to that for iron range 3, item dupes. Data erase keys, available item, new pick is equal to that. Because like if I was to go here, let's try this for loop right here. Run the game again. Dictionary exists. So if you print available items like keys before the second loop, does it print anything? Let's see. Yep, prints the keys, but there's only 2 in there right now, but there should be 3. So if like I run it again, it will give me 2, but if we run it again, 2 again. Interesting. Oh, there you go, now it has 3. Additionally, could this be a stupid question, but when you define available keys, you don't send it to empty dictionary. I'm wondering if that makes a difference. No stupid question at this point. What would be fun is if doing this, what's it called? If doing all of this, it's just driving me nuts, and it just turns out it's a Godot issue. I forgot to find something. Hold up. Dude, okay, hold up. Might be switching back to the older keyboard in a second. Nope. You don't need it empty. All right. Do I even have brackets actually mapped on my keyboard? I don't have curly brackets mapped, dude. It's phenomenal. All right. Did I remap that? I remapped that. All right. Here, let me switch to my other keyboard real quick, because I'll tell you about a new keyboard. Oh no, this is a new keyboard, and it's actually better. It's like a split keyboard, because I was getting, oh, my hair's really screwed up, because I was getting really bad wrist pain using this one, and you have to set up a custom, what's it called, key mapping, and the one I set up is very stupidly made. So we're going back to this one right now just for the ease of use, because I was trying to, you know, not get myself crippling carpal tunnel, but couldn't do that. Where's that here? Yeah. There we go. Don't you dare chuckle at me. Don't mock me. All right, let's run it. No, same issue. Oh, hey, look at that. Yeah, we randomly get 2 now. Yay. Okay, so. Honestly, let's see. It's 12:45. Wow, phone's going for the full 2 hours. That's crazy. So available items, dictionary, duplicates. Is this just something with Godot? Like, am I missing something pretty severe here? Yeah, no, I'm not even gonna try to do that. Woo! Goodbye, monitor. Okay, let's see what we're missing here. Alright, just keys pick random. Maybe check if pick random's returning empty. Function so that can happen. Oh. This one right here. But hold on, check this out. If we go here to like, if we just like let this run. See, available items itself is empty. It's like, there's nothing to pick random from. Alternatively, you can go the long way and ask Randy. Sure. But, excuse me, Randy from what? There's nothing here. It's gone. It's dead. There was nothing here. I'm losing my mind. It's an empty array. It's a reflection of everything that truly matters. Pick random from the first loop. Okay, let's see that. Okay. Alright, that's fine. No, fine. We'll do it. We'll do it. We'll pick a random thing. What do we got here? We got Randy. Good old Randy. I forgot. Dude, I am. We're getting there on today's stream, man. And Randy. Does new pick ever come back? Empty or no? Let's try it out. Yeah, actually, before we do that, yeah, let's try that out. New pick comes out as the same twice, which I wonder if that means now if we go to the debugger. Oh no, it's just still broken there. Why is it twice, dude? What's this nonsense? Okay. I am going to try out something very, very annoyingly stupid now. And you take an array, don't you? So let's try items, keys. Okay. Tab. All right, and now what we're gonna do is instead of printing, we're gonna keep the new pick here, but actually just to make sure, I'm gonna print up item dupes. Item dupe. Just to see if item dupe itself prints and it's like progressively getting smaller, then something just went right, which is not right. Okay, why? That's why, dude. Do I have to declare an empty array like you said earlier? Maybe that's it. Maybe for some godforsaken reason, this is it. Nah, okay. What if I... Will this reflect it properly if I just like, hey, do this, do this, do this? Where's my quotation marks? Actually, I need ampersand first. There we go. Ampersand, quotation mark. Wait, does it not work with string literals for some reason? That'd be so dumb if that was the case. And if... No, wrong one. If it's because I'm working with string literals instead of anything else, I'm gonna be... No, it actually doesn't matter. All right, cool. That's fine-ish. Should work with string name. It does for you. That's good. Ew. Come on, safe. I'm sorry you're sick, but gross. That. We worked straight through the break. I think about resources again. Oh, erasing elements while iterating over arrays is not supported. Maybe that's what it is. Okay, maybe that's what the issue is. Cause, well, I'm not iterating over items, dude. Am I? No, I'm picking a random array and then I'm doing this. And this available items. Yeah, there's no point in times where we're iterating over anything. All right, so string does that. Okay. This exists as around yeah. Okay. This didn't change anything either, so that's fine. Okay. That's an extra thing for iron range 3. Print new pick. Let's just see what it prints for new pick. Well, it doesn't matter what it prints for new pick because it doesn't change anything. Use range to pick a random index, store that value at that index, and then remove an index, drop it from the right, see if that works. Okay. That's fine. Let's try that. Nope. Okay. Nope. 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 There we go. Items do that size. Thank you. Faster to do that probably. Okay, items do that size. That. What's it that size? Is it just really just the range of an array? Just Some problems in a row. Oh, cool. That was just straight with those slice. Bleh. Eyes. Oh, it's still running. Print says pronounce stuff like that. Oh, come on. Erase that index, right? Nope. And this is just okay. Let's run the breakpoint here again. See if the actually okay. We did get completely different things though. That's good. That is brand new. We are getting completely different stuff. That's a massive improvement. No, items dupe new pick if your key for, wait, what? Oh, whoops. You're right. Wait. Oh, yeah, whoops. Sorry, yeah. There we go. What items I don't do, boy. Okay, cool. We're getting 3 different things now. Master index. Also not items dupe I. What? Oh yeah, new pick. My bad. All right. There we go. Okay, real quick. So just quickly go over. We got new pick is equal to Randy. Modulo that. Print items dupe I to get that. Just see what we got. Then available items is equal to items do. Oh, wrong one. Not that. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. All right. New pick is equal to that. Items dupe new pick to show what we just picked up. Then available items is equal to items dupe new pick. Set it to 0. Then remove items dupe. Remove items dupe to remove at new pick. So if we run it, wrong one. Run it again. Check out the output. Still completely random things, which is great. That's what we wanted. Go. And if we run it one more time, what are we looking at here? We're looking at a dictionary of 3. 3. 3. 3. God, okay, so working with indices is the way to go. Holy crap. All right. Step 1. Step 2. Seeing if this works. Does not. Okay. We're almost there now. I think it just might be the exact same thing. So we have available items like keys. Instead of pick random, let's just go back to it. Yep. Keys, and we're going to do the exact same thing. There we go. Modulate that at this dot size just to get the thing back. Okay. Kind of a shame reading the docs. Those functions you were using read like they should have done what you wanted. Okay, so wait. So what you're telling me is not my fault, right? Yeah. Yeah? Right? Yeah? Right? Yeah? Right? Good. Yay! I'm completely morally absolved. I could go commit a crime today to bounce it out. I think I'm going to steal. What are you guys thinking, huh? And the object I steal will be the moon. Yes. Yes, I do enjoy high cinema. I do watch Despicable Me on a daily basis. It's actually my entire personality. Not Gru, but a minion. I am the one who's actually perpetuating those minions memes on Facebook to keep the mom population docile. Grudy shorts? Adding it to the merch list. No. Adding it to the game's custom items because we're gonna be able to dress your character, and I think Grudy shorts actually might be perfect. Either pour Dr. Bug into Godot's code. Hey, you know what? That actually makes me feel pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't gotten to a point where like I've actually gotten to an area where it would or I haven't gotten to the point where I triggered Godot, or like I found somewhere where it's like Godot's fault, not mine. So maybe that just means I'm becoming a better developer. I don't know, man. I can't believe I'm going back to touch and peck typing. All right, your name is blasted on that. Perfect. All right. That's, yeah, I spelled that right. Okay, let's just keep this, let's keep this going. We're going somewhere. Chest items equal string name, available items is equal to keys, Randy, available items, keys that size. Well, 4.3 is brand spanking new, and pick random specifically is a new array function, so blame Godot. I didn't know it was brand new. That's interesting. I thought that was in there for a while. But it says stable on it. That's it. I'm suing this completely open source software. I'm gonna take all their money. Then I'm gonna use it for myself and buy games. Okay, so chosen item, string name, available items, keys, Randy, yep. Coolsies. And we want to remove that. So I'll just avoid using erase and pick random. Pick random works sometimes. That's good to know that. It's just it doesn't work all the time. I set up button choose chosen item is equal to items. Chosen item to get the spread out of it. Available items, chosen item plus equals 1. If available items, chosen items equals 2. We want to do that. Hopefully this fixes it. Fairly sure it wasn't there for 4.2. You could be wrong. Programming this so that rarely happens. Got it. Look at you being able to do, what's it? Linear algebra. Sorry, I just had to find that one deep in the recesses of my mind. I actually suppress all mathematical knowledge for trauma reasons. Pre-calc, not pre-calc, AP calculus. But seriously, thanks for the help on that. That would have gotten me for a while. It did get me for a while. We were over the 2-hour mark, and we were supposed to do something completely different today after this. But I did set up a list of what we were supposed to finish. Discrete math is where it's at. Sorry, had to throw up there. Okay. Chosen items equal to string name, available items, keys, Randy. Okay. Let's see if this just breaks without anything happen. Alright, cool. Modulo by 0. Okay, cool. So available items still doesn't work. So this is so stupid. Hold on. Oh my god, I forgot. Oh my god, I don't have a I forgot to map the curly brackets. I switched back to the other keyboard just to keep practicing, but we'll just stick on this one because once we finish this is basically it for the coding portion. And today we're gonna try out a tile set tool I saw earlier because I wanted to learn how to use it, see if it was worth the monies. Good to know that actually fully didn't matter. It's cool. Okay. I could just alternate between like this for coding and like the other one for just typing and stuff like that. And now swooped in like Superman. I must prove to prep for your own tier-inducing stream. God help you, dude. You have good energy on your stream though. I caught a little bit when we raided last time, man. But seriously, thank you, Obsidian. Have a good stream, man. Just catch you in the next one, dude. If you are still streaming by the time we finish, we'll do another raid though. I don't know. I've always cracked like that. Okay. Let's see if I can figure out what's happening here. Okay. I wonder. Funk. God, I'm not used to this keyboard. Sign. Items. Dictionary. Okay. And what do you want for that? Should just take this and everything. It's just taking all these actually. So this works. Excuse me? Oh. Wait, what? Wait, function setup button, base button. Can I convert argument 2 from into object? Is looking for what? You're taking a dictionary. Oh, crap. Oh, sets a keyword in Godot? Wait, hold on. Come on. Oh, setter and getter. That's why. Says I want you to throw me 1600 errors whenever I do this. So clear. Can I convert object argument 2 from that to end? Oh wait, that's why I don't need to use that. I need this one needs to be straight up items. There we go. Oh wait, and I don't. Wait. just realized I think this actually doesn't work yet. Okay, so it's the erasing thing that's happening. For some reason, erasing is what actually fully breaks something. Let's run that in like that and run that. Oh, no. Okay. 7? Okay. Okay. Let's get let's condense it down too. Oh, actually, instead of doing this at the very end, like, or instead of putting it here, why don't I just put it outside the for loop once it's done? So that way, we can just see what happened or when. Oh, you only exist exclusively in here. Oh, I can just have it print set items. Just see what happened here. Wait, no, it's so close to working, dude. It's like annoyingly close to working. So everything should be 4, so banana got an extra 1. Which is the problem? Okay. Oh, that's why. Holy crap, it's done. We did it, boys. We fudging did it. Oh my god. Oh my god, that took so long. Okay. Huh? Okay. Bouncer side. Flip and flipped. Score penalty. Okay. We're so close. All right, I'm going to take a quick 10-minute break because that was stupid. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I'll be back in about 10 minutes. So that was fun. All right, I am back. So I think we are going to end today's stream by checking out Crocodile and just kind of screwing around in that for a bit because I think I need to kind of distance myself from this right now just to kind of get a fresher kind of break on this. We got it working though, which is good because the rest of it should be easy. Just this whole dictionary thing was some nonsense. Because we got that, we got the flipping code I think in place already actually, and score penalties for masters and mismatching. So all we need to do now actually is just have a way for it to keep track of everything and just have the icons only pop up on Switch. So that's actually kind of that's easy enough to do. Okay, but that's for next time or for off stream stuff. We're gonna check out a new tool. And I think in order to really just get a full use out of this bad boy, we need a tile set. So let's go to either Kenny or something online. Whoa, yeah, okay. Continue. I don't have it. Oh, sweet, they give us a tile set to mess with. Yeah, it's kind of laggy. All right. Let's see what we can mess around with here. Edit. Come on, give me preferences, windows, animation, settings. Okay. Window resolution, it's saying color theme, light, dark mode, please. Backup folder. Okay, undo limit. Let's crank that up to whatever it can be. 106 max, wireframe color, cool. View cube. So I can just choose anything, so I don't have to use like this default crocodile, dude. Okay. FPS 20? Dude, what? No. Is this for animation or just how it generally runs? Can we get like... That was just how it runs. Okay. Interesting. So how do I mess around with this? We got... can rotate this little dude, but I'm assuming that's not it. And we can kind of paint because we're messing with this part of the tile street. Alright, cool. So how do I get rid of a shape? We got a sticky, we got tile, we have primitive, we have pencil. How do I, Let's see, how do we pan too? So if I hold this, no, okay, what do we got here? This is Gizmo toggle. We have Gizmo road shift X. Let's use the pencil tool. Oh, so this allows us to draw on the tile map, but directly on it. Okay, that's actually really cool. We have a UV editor menu. Don't 100% understand how this is going to work for this. We have a painting menu for the tile we're using, a transform menu, and a scene menu. So this is our current tile set. What's this primitive button do? Okay, so this allows us to use a cube. So if I want to add like this kind of texture right here. Oh, and I can hover over. Ooh, wait, that's cool. So I can just kind of like build up my level like that. All right, nice. All right, what else can I do? Sticky, what's that do? I don't want to use like I don't want to always use the pencil though. Gizmo mode. Try and edit mode is tab. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Delete. Can I just use Control X to get rid of stuff? Delete. Alright, cool. So can I like shift select multiple items? Can I do that? This, no, okay, so what is this? This toggles is an edit mode, draw in edit mode, that's tab. Okay. Tab on this keyboard is in a very awkward spot. But that kind of idiot proofs it for me, which is always great. Oh, cool. So that's how you do that, to select that. All right. Cool. And how do you pan around the scene? Redo, undo, bleh, gizmo alignment, bleh. Okay, preferences. Let's see if they got a spin GIF. Oh, cool. So you can just like steer level and spin effect. All right. That's cool. Window, animation, settings, buttons. So this allows us to create like macros or stuff. Rad. General. do you have stuff we can use to just mess around with our keys? Can I crank up this frame rate to be like my entire monitor's frame rate? Which we were working with that. Yes, I can. Cool. All right. And I got this. Oh, cool. All right. So if I edit this and I can like kind of take this like edge right here, we can move it. All right. Control Z, Control Z. No, Control Y. How do I change what specific parts I'm editing? Let's try that mode. This is camera-based selection. Oh, gross. It's like my... Okay. Gizmo alignment world. Weird. Okay. Okay, I kind of mess with this. Yeah. So this is like just the building stuff. There's a menu I had before that was like a bunch of other stuff I had options with. Was it you? Oh. Shift X to do that? So Shift X to toggle. How do you pan around the screen? I'm just gonna... Oh, okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, what? It's space. Space to do that. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I've said that so many times already. How do you cancel selection? Space to do that, okay. So you click stuff like that. What I kind of want to try doing is... B is off of that. Okay. So I do that. How do I unselect something? Okay. Like, I don't know how to just set it so we're not just using vertices to select. Yeah, let's try to make a new file, new scene. Yep, that's fine. Continue. Alright. Space to kind of pan our stuff around. And then we can draw here on our tile map to decide what we want. So like, let's say I just want this front scene right here. Let's move it like that. Got that plane working for us. And then I want maybe just this part of the tile map. Okay, so it's gonna put me there. And because of backface culling, which then I can switch to tab to fix that. Okay. Oh wait, direct clicking delete it? Because now that tile's gone. It's kind of got like the quirks of Trench Broom, which is another like kind of level editing tool I want to check out on this channel. But kind of like much different. I don't know how to describe it. What's this? Sticky, just kind of... Oh, okay, that's something we want on then. Is there a way to like quickly delete a tile without going to the edit mode to do that? Because like, what if I just want to like, just click that, just click you, just click you, just click you, just click you. I want to control X. Nope, just straight delete. All right. Oh, buttons is F3. That's what we want to check out. General. Oh, okay. That's what it is. So camera. Center cameras. Default binding C. Interesting. Huh. Okay. I saw some like videos where they were like they just had the do you right click to clear selection? Vertices, UVs, faces, deselect all faces. How how do you mess around with this? Because there's like some spots where I'm just like, what is happening there? If I click that, can I make it so it doesn't like always hold a selection when I click on something? Tile sets, auto refresh tile sets, drag multiple UVs, deselect all UVs in a single click. Maybe that's what we want. Is it middle click? No. So I want to move that. It's like, okay, now we're getting that. Oh, okay, cool. Now we're getting the kind of like distortion part of it. So if I want to click that and move all of that, can I have it set up by default where like I don't have effects, camera, skybox? Oh, cool. You can change the skybox to it. Because what I would like to do is here, edit mode, overlay tile brush, line brush across here, copy. General? Color theme, yeah, no, I don't care about that. View cube. Is that just like a little crocodile dude at the bottom there? This is gonna edit ourselves, or no? Oh, just clicking that too much. Alright. Oh, it is gonna change a little crocodile guy. Super interesting. Oh. Oh, wait. And then I can... Oh, I can, like... I can move my cursor on my tile map selector. So if I'm, like, drawing something here... Getting out of that mode... I think something might have broke. Someone wrong. What does this do? What does this do? Alright, cool. Oh, cool. And we have like transparency layers too, so we can work with that. Alright, that's interesting. Alright, cool. So that's cool. And that's something I wanted to check out in comparison to another level editing tool. Like I think I brought it up earlier, Trench Broom, which is the same that or it's like it's an open source like Quake modeling tool for like level making. And no, screw it. Let's try that right now. The 464. Do I? Please install this file. Okay, no, we got that. Where's our Trench Broom versions? 6 for Linux, Windows, 64-bit. Sums of release, Trench Broom Windows. Yeah, okay, this is the one we want to try. So I think we'll end the stream by just trying out this because, as y'all know, I like mover shooters a lot, and I would like to make one, and I just have not done that yet. So that is, where did that install to? The hell? Trench Broom. Where do you exist? Did that not go to my downloads folder? It did. Oh no, it did. Just for some reason the extract button wasn't there. Okay. Put you there. And let's just run Trench Broom real quick. Just see what that does. Alright, cool. So I just build it up like this. New map. Let's say we're making a... Whoa. I think you can make... What's that game? I think you can make Ultra Kill maps in this. Or Dusk maps. Alright, let's just say we're making... Again, I found a phone. Can I just say we're using a Quake game without trying to make a Quake game? Okay. Cool, so... I'm pretty sure Trench Broom is made by more than one person. So let's see what we got here. Whoa. So we got right click to move around, left click to pan, or left click to rotate, middle click to do some weird panning. Can we do like a little shift action here? Space to go orthogonal. Okay. Let's see, let's do another thing here. Always gotta set up to edit. Where's it? Where's my settings at? View. Preferences. Colors. Nope, games, view, system, theme, dark theme. Please restart after changing layout, one pane, texture mode, blah, 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 apply. Run it, restart it. Cool, new map. Quick, just quick, cool. All right, so I just want to see how straightforward something is, because that's, as bad as it is kind of as a, I guess, practice to making stuff, something that makes a software really good for me to use is just like I can just hop right in, nothing too crazy with tutorials or anything like that. I can just be like, all right, cool, I just want to mess around with something, and I can do that without feeling super restricted. Just kind of gets the old dopamine pumping. Let's see preferences. Let's see what we have for just keyboard. Okay, control that down. Let's see if we can get, we just want to get the moving stuff going on here. View camera. Focus camera selections, control U. We're probably gonna switch a lot of these around. All right, okay, viewport navigation. Are we running, yes, we are running in, what's the word I'm trying to find? We are using a kind of game engine type stuff where we can just go up, down. We have, let's see, Q go up, offer rotate. Okay, Q and E for moving up and down. W, or Q and W for moving up and down, or no. Is it Q and Shift Q maybe? No, Q just constantly takes us up. Would it be Z? Nope, nope. Alright, we are just constantly going in the air, man. Alright, let's see what else we can make here. So what do we have here? We have a vertex tool, we have a brush tool, which I think is just to draw stuff out. What's this? Deactivate current tool. Alright, so how can I just quickly draw a piece of mesh? Scale tool, vertex tool, clip tool, brush tool for B. And I think, yeah, you just draw on the mesh like that. Like, oh, okay, cool. And if I press enter to confirm it, nope. What if I go to fish tool? So we just had that, we're moving a fish. Scale tool, share tool, duplicate tool, clip tool. How do I just draw? Because I had that, like, by default, it knew what I was doing. And I did something wrong. Ooh, object layers. Wait, that's cool. So one of the cool things about Trench Room is that it actually works really well with Godot. And it, whoa, okay. It, will allow us to create, it would allow me to create maps and just like do a lot of level construction very quickly inside of here. I just don't know what I'm doing. So it's like, whoa, okay, so that's that. Got a face thing here. Okay, it snaps to each vertex. This is gonna take a lot of work to do. But this is kind of, what? How'd I draw? Wait, how did you do that? Come back here. There you go. Can I continue to draw you out? Can I confirm you? I can confirm you. So I can draw on a face like that. Confirm that. Do that. How did I do that? Wait, hold on. Here, we're gonna look at the Trench Room documentation real quick to see, because I think it has some I can just quickly read over. It takes some working to get it working with Godot, but there's a lot of cool stuff to make it work. Website. Okay, let's see if there's like a quick, we don't want to compile it. Do I have to watch a tutorial? Manual, here we go. Okay, getting started, preliminaries, blah, 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 blah. We don't want none of that. We just want to mess around with stuff. To select a simple object, left click on the viewport. Left click anywhere viewport deselects the object, so. Okay, we got that. Hold control while clicking to select objects. If you're selected, you can paint multiple objects. First select an object, hold control over dragging surface. This will duplicate the selected object. Okay, cool. You can do that over and over again. I'm assuming. Whoa. Can I just delete stuff? Okay, so you can delete stuff pretty quickly too. Okay, so I'm just drawing on surfaces right now. Okay, so it doesn't work when you have something selected. But if I deselect something, like just clicking anywhere, and I draw on our guy here, I can do that. Then I can just take its face, which is F for the face tool. I can just drag it up. And kind of like lock it on the x-axis. Don't worry, I remember this time, not creator. That's good, dude. Guys, at the tail end of the stream, we're just playing around with the random software right now. Okay, I'm into it. All right. Yeah, that was a weird, random, just kind of tangent. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking. How about you, dude? No, I don't want to save the changes. What's one last thing I want to do? Because I feel like we're just kind of bouncing around because I am now a little bit fried for the end of stream. What do we want to do? I don't know. I think maybe it would be a good idea to end it here. We've been going for about, oh my god, almost 3 hours. Yeah. Yeah, and I should probably take out my dog. It's been a while. All right. Either way, thanks for today, guys. It was a lot of fun. We've got a lot of people in today's stream, which is always a pleasure to see. I'm glad to hear you're doing very well, Sans. Glad to hear that. Let me do my thank yous as per usual. So special thanks to Alta for popping off on the Twitch chat, sharing some more progress on your spaceship. If you haven't already seen that, Alta Ture who also goes by Vander, and the server has a little forum post on what he's been working on. Seems like he's going to be making an animated pilot out of it, which is pretty sick. So best of luck to you for that, man. Habiko TV for popping in, bringing us some of that good old-fashioned nostalgia. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're getting the time off you deserve, and your surgery goes well. Obsidian Black for hopping in, and I'm actually going to see if you're online right now so I can raid you. For the huge help with the coding on today, because if you weren't there, I probably would have been stuck there for another like hour before I just like fully gave up. So I really appreciate that, dude. Hope you're doing well, and I think that's everyone on the Twitch side things. All right, first off, now we're going on YouTube. Special thanks to Vacu for kicking us off with a good idea. Sorry I couldn't make it work. I think it's just how grid layouts work, but maybe we can change that. Safe for keeping the YouTube chat populated as usual. Remember, man, never start a fight, and just keep being you. That's all that matters. And of course, Horrible Creator, aka Sans, for hopping in at the very end. Good to see you, my dude. Hope to see you again in the next one. We will be doing our stream tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll keep you guys posted at the usual time of 11 a.m. PST. Keep an eye out on just my usual socials because I'm trying to make a devlog for this Tamagotchi we got going on. And yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna raid Obsidian and we're gonna call it here. Let's see if he's still online. That's why I should not switch keyboard layouts like every 2 seconds. Yes, he is. All right, guys. If for everyone in the Twitch chat, enjoy Obsidian's raid. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Where's my thing? All right, cool. Peace. Peace.